Xiaolongbao. Happy Chinese New Year! Wow! Ang juicy, grabe. So first stop of the QC Chinatown Food Crawl for this year. Nandito tayo ngayon sa King Chef. So tikman natin itong miswak ko and then the dim sum welcome platter. There, let's eat! Meron siyang mga seafood, may peanuts, may meat. This is chicken. Grabe, ang daming laman. Mushroom. Sarap. Savory siya and not too salty. Welcome dim sum. Syempre King Chef, masarap yung dim sum nila dito. So dumpling. Syempre siomai. Ang sarap talaga ng kanilang chili garlic. Sarap. Naglagang siomai nila. Kutsay ito with pork. Sarap. Sarap. So, second stop, nandito na tayo sa Sincerity Cafe and Restaurant. So, syempre, Sincerity fried chicken, kanilang oyster cake. Ang init, di ko mataas. Fried chicken, tapos gravy. There, let's eat! Ang juicy, grabe. Masarap siyang partner daw ng atsara. Try nga natin. Ang sarap nga ng atsara nila. Super juicy naman. Ang lambot. Sarap. Ito naman next yung oyster cake. Ang plump ng oyster, ang sarap. And then ketchup. Hot sauce pala to. Hot sauce. Pwedeng ketchup. Ang hang ng hot sauce. Sarap. Natin kung anong ating fortune. Oops. Uniku Taiwanese restaurant. Third stop, nandito tayo sa Uniku and we're gonna try their famous pork chop. Ayan, tikman na natin. May konting crunch dyan ng skin. And ang sarap, hindi siya greasy. Well seasoned. Malasa yung meat niya. Okay itong appetizer or snack. Yung radish cake naman, tas meron siyang sweet sauce. Ang sarap ng sauce. Yummy. Okay na appetizer to. Pag Taiwanese food talaga, as in, well-seasoned na yung food nila. Hindi mo na kailangan na too salty, hindi matabang, saktong-sakto lang. Sarap. Game.
1, 2, 3.
Wow! May pawo. Xiaolongbao. Ito lang. Yan, Xiaolongbao. Steaming hot. Tikman natin. Lagyan natin ng ginger and vinegar.
Okay lang.
Ang init! Kuya, thank you! Juwoy King Chef. So next stop is Juway. So meron tayo dito yung Kiampong set. So there's Kiampong fried rice, soup of the day, and vegetables. Tikman na natin. Wow! May isang malaki siyang bone-in meat. And yung mga herbs na ginamit. Medyo kakaiba yung lasa niya. Very clean tasting. And then, parang may malalasahan kang medyo woody. Ang sarap nung pork niya. Yummy. So, parang siyang nilaga. Pero, parang medyo herby, na woody, ganun yung atake. Clean tasting, malinis yung lasa. Then, pair natin sa Kiampong fried rice. Ito naman, may mushrooms, peanuts, tapos, malasang-malasa na yung kanyang meat. And then may side dish siya na spinach ba to?
May dish na yan? Ulam yun eh.
May side dish siya na mga grains. I'm not sure kung spinach.
Parang hindi side dish eh.
Sarap. Okay itong set na to, masarap.
Kaway daw po.
Cozy Cafe. So we're here at the last stop, the Cozy Cafe. So we'll be trying out some of their food. So first, meron tayong, borrow muna. Pansit, sisig, and then cheese wonton, and orange chicken. Pa natin. Sarap niya. Sarap ng cheese niya, medyo salty. And then, meron siyang drizzle dito ng, I think, honey. So, balance of salty and sweet. Okay, dito din sa Cozy Cafe. Pwedeng party mode. Masarap yung orange glaze niya. Mag-coffee shots naman tayo. Chili coffee. Medyo spicy nga. Strawberry drink. Spanish latte. Ito masarap. Zamboangan dessert. So, meron siyang jellies, may fruits, and may ice cream. Parang siyang, yung Korean dessert na mixed fruits. Pero ito, creamy kasi strawberry ice cream.
My first one is Japanese.
Ube turon. Ube ice cream. Meron siyang ube filling and ube ice cream dito.
Yun yung lagi kong in-order.
So if you like sushi, then you might you like
Taho. Happy Chinese New Year! So that ends our food crawl. Thank you so much, Quezon City Tourism Office. Until next year, Happy Chinese New Year! Tara, let's!